You can get other information. There's such a thing as amplitude to this. If he's got a cranial rhythm where you're standing here trying to feel something and you're not feeling anything, more than likely it's not you, it's them. They're so weak and debilitated, they're not sleeping, they're totally exhausted, they have no cranial rhythm. That's dangerous, that's a reserve. They're going to get sick in another 3 weeks if you don't do your job. You got to bring that cranial rhythm back up. Well, how are we going to do that? Well, in this case, you can adjust very quickly, and that'll help tremendously for these joints. If you're a chiropractor. If you're a massage therapist, you can go in there and massage, okay? But also, you can come to the stellate ganglion and feed that nervous system and that brain immediately. Get that cranial rhythm up. Get that photon energy. Get that electromagnetic energy. That's nerve flow. Improve the regional cerebral blood flow to the brain by irradiating the stellate ganglion. Do that immediately. Takes away pain, stimulates the drainage of old deoxygenated blood from the body, helps to bring in the new oxygenated blood, relieves the vagus nerve, improves all that good circulation. Okay? Okay, got the stellate ganglion.